All right, let's check out what's new this week at Elusive Disc. All right, first up we've got John Coltrane's Stardust. This is on limited edition clear vinyl. And we've got Bob Dylan, Mixing Up Your Medicine, a retrospective. And we've got the Rolling Stones, Hackney Diamonds. This is the first original studio album since 2005. It's on 180 gram black vinyl. Then we've got Coldplay, A Head Full of Dreams. This is on limited edition, colored recycled vinyl. We've got Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, Mojo. David Bowie, Pinups. Then we've got a couple Blue Note albums here. Art Blakey and the Jazz Messengers, Mosaic. Hank Mobley, No Room for Squares. And then we've got Sade Live. We've got the U2 Zeropa album. It's the 30th anniversary deluxe limited edition gatefold on foil sleeve. And finally we've got Johnny Cash Sings the Songs That Made Him Famous. This is a 65th anniversary and it's on limited edition orange vinyl.